The 9th ball video ever. We're getting jiggy with it. We're definitely gonna get copyright.
If you guys can't tell by my dance move right there what music they're playing.
Drake.
I mean, his newest album, I guess, would also give that away.
Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. Like I said, 8th or 9th ever ball video ever on the planet. Today's exciting. I'm really excited to throw this one. I don't know if y'all remember the Sigma Sting back in the day. I got to throw one. It was fun. We got the Sigma Tour Pearl. Am I that hot?
Yeah, you're stinging. I'm stinging you. Is that not the noise it would make stinging?
No.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what noise it would make.
What noise do bees make? Or a
Buzz.
stingray? What noise do a stingray? What noise do a stingray make when they sting? Oh my God! Shout out to Steve Irwin. Love that guy.
Anyways.
Rest in peace.
We have the brand new Motiv Sigma Tour Pearl today. I'm really excited to throw this one. We're gonna get into all of the nitty gritty today. We are teaming up once again to accomplish the quest to 800. I think you guys really enjoyed that. We're bringing it back for this bowling ball. I have some pretty good feelings about it. I think we could score very well in this house, on the house shot.
Yeah. It's a very hittable house shot here at Strike and Spare J-Town. Shout out to you guys for allowing us here in this beautiful venue.
Thank you.
We're in the little party area. It's really, really nice.
It's really nice here. And if you're ever in town on the weekends, they do have the Derby tournament, which is a really good time. We were able to bowl. We have a vlog coming soon for that. Be sure to check that out when you guys are here. Make sure to call the bowling center and ask for when you can get a spot. But before we get into all of that, in my pocket today, I have $700. There's 7 months left of the year. We need your guys' help. We need to get to 50,000 subscribers. And I know we could do that before then, but we have 7 months left of the year. For every month that goes away, I take away $100. So if we don't magically get to 5,000 subscribers this month and we hit the 50,000 mark and we keep rolling over into the months, I will keep taking away $100. So if we go into July, we have $600 left on the table, and so on. We need your guys' help. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're giving away some money. Back to you guys.
So do you match the 700 you're giving to them to also give to me? That would be only fair.
That's a conversation we might have to have off camera. But
please tell me in the comments.
If they really like you.
Yeah.
And they
tell
really
him in
like
the comments
us,
he needs to give me $700 and you guys $700.
Yeah, so the only way that you guys can get that is if we hit the 50,000 mark and when we hit the 50,000 mark.
All right, let's shoot 800. Let's do that first.
Let's do that.
Oh, I dropped it a little bit.
Go!
That's a way to start off for 800.
That is a way.
She got there.
I mean, look at this thing, man. This thing is pretty. Layout 60 by 5 by 35. Releases the exact same.
Oh.
Wow.
Good. Great.
Wow.
This is pretty much what it always looks like when we try to shoot a score.
Well, first shot, stone 8. That means this ball has to be really good. All right. If you guys want yours, pre-order at nateandelease.com.
I'm gonna try not to follow what Nate did. Again? Where are my hits?
Where are the hits?
I guess I need to move a little bit right.
Yeah, it's like a 1-and-1.
'Cause that one was pretty good. We just came off bowling on the other lane that was a little bit drier. And I just kind of stand in the same spot. So I guess I can just cheat it a little right on this lane.
Look. Okay. All right.
Nate's face.
All right, so yeah. get this 8-pin out. Oh, baby. There we go. Big wheel and deal.
All right, if we're gonna shoot 800, we need to start striking. Okay, moving right.
All right, guys, let's talk about this ball. Sigma Tour Pearl. Atomic Propulsion Pearl Cover Stock. 5,000 grit LSS. Lean on it. The core, Sigma Core 2.47 RG 047 differential. Elise has her spare ball.
My spare ball.
Nice. All right, we're in there like swimwear.
We are. We're gonna start striking.
Elise is gonna move just a tad to the right a little more, and I'm gonna continue to try to throw good shots. You guys need to know where I'm standing right now. I'm standing on 24 and looking around 16. Goodness me. All right, well, we're gonna need a little bit of help to shoot 800. We got a 238 max.
Might go down as GOD.
GOD maybe?
Okay. Standing on the big dot.
Oh, Lord.
Throwing it on the big dot.
Oh, come on. Well, we're not mathematically out of it yet.
We're mathematically out
No,
of
we're
it?
not. I'm just saying.
Why do you always do this to us?
What? People don't come here to watch, you know, oh, let's see how many times I can strike and blah, blah, blah. No, we like to do challenges that are hard. Does anybody else come to a channel to watch? Oh, let's
Striking is hard.
let's
I don't know if
shoot
you know that.
600 with the brand new ball. No, we're gonna try to get there.
I don't think you understand. At this rate, shooting 600 is hard.
Well, I think we could shoot 6.
I don't
7
know.
right now is not looking great, but all right, I moved a little right. We are bowling on a fresh-ish house shot here at Strike and Spare. They are pretty cliffed. I would probably throw something that has a little bit of surface on it and like a bigger ball to start, but we wanted to see what this bowling ball could do.
I have an obsession with standing to the right and throwing it to the left, which is not good for those of you who don't know bowling terms. That was better.
Closer?
Closer, same result.
How much did you move?
Now, I didn't move from my last shot, if that's what you're talking about.
Well, like, yeah.
I was standing on 28, now I'm standing on 20.
Yeah, maybe like let's cut the difference and go like 22, 23.
Well, considering my last shot, I stood on 20 and hit 22, I had to just throw it, you know? I thought, if that would have hit some oil, I thought I was gonna miss it. And then I was like, yeah, and we're out of it.
Oh, wow. All right, well, I love the enthusiasm you want to bowl, but it is the 10th frame.
Wow, we only need 300, 300 to make this.
Yep, we need 294, 300 if I double. I mean, people come here for authenticity. We have 194 left. 196, sorry.
Clean though.
Clean. Is that saying the ball's bad? No, it's not. It's just today we are not throwing it great. All right, I'll go first so you could anchor.
Oh, okay, good. You want to shoot 165. Okay, now we are gonna know who the real people are if you're here to really see what we can do. We're doing a challenge now. For every pin we are under 800, we will give 50 cents away to one lucky winner in the comments. Hopefully we can rectify this damage, but if we strike out from here, that means we'd be 6 pins under 800, which means we'd have to give away $3. So, get those comments down below. Let's see how much we can actually save ourselves some money, and good luck to those of you who are in the comments, because someone's winning $3, baby. All right, now Nate's probably not going to miss.
I'm not missing.
I can't speak for myself at the moment because I'm not lined up. So I'm going to need to get lined up real quick right now.
Let's go. They ain't getting shit.
$3. Holler.
$3.
They can go to 5 and below, maybe.
Which is fine with me.
5 and below at the end of this video. You're gonna beg for every shot now. I already know.
Every single shot.
For fun, what I want you to do down in the comments in order to win is tell me your favorite conspiracy theory. If you know, you know. I want to see what, even if you don't believe it, you could tell me the one you hate the most. Let me know what your favorite conspiracy theories are down below.
For the love of God, go.
That was almost an 8-pin. I almost just 8-pinned.
Go. Well, as you guys can see, when this ball sees friction, it goes.
Okay, since Nate sold the bag, it's coming out of his paycheck, whatever we lose. Look at this. I locked in. He didn't lock in. He didn't lock in.
That's my bad.
Gotta lock in.
That's my bad.
Lock in.
Yeah. Go.
Okay. Mr. Locker Inner.
We're good. Go get yours, Chica. Go through it. Hit it.
That was a pretty good shot.
All right, straight up. Oh no. All right, let's fill this up. We're locked in. So with a strike, 258. What did we shoot game one? 196?
196. Yep, 196. No, 194.
No, 196.
Because I thought we could be 6 pins under.
No, 4 pins under.
Oh, okay. Well, then I lied. They can only get $2 if we would have struck out.
$2. Very nice.
All right, 300.
All right, we need 3. We shot 258, 196. So we're at 54 over. We're just going with the slow wheel today. You guys are seeing this small hook. Oh, Lord have mercy. Hook.
Locked.
There we go.
Locked and loaded. Get out of here. That's it. Okay, we're getting a little dangerous over here.
Yeah, we are.
Getting a little dangerous boy.
3-bagger. That should be all right.
That was gonna be okay. We're on a house
I said
shot.
that should be all right.
I'm not at the US Open yet.
No, not yet. That's what we're gearing up for, right? All right, let's move another 2. Oh, go.
Oh God, we're not locked. He wasn't locked.
That's good.
What are you doing?
I don't know. You see this thing hooking. I'm gonna throw a better shot, I promise.
Oh, I didn't hit that. Get that. Get there. Get there.
Damn. Nice.
Come on, Nate. Set me up.
Okay.
All right, just a little quick. Where are you going to see this ball in the arsenal? I think that this ball is going to be a step above the Venom Hysteria. It's going to give you something a little bigger of a core, a little earlier of a motion, a little bit smoother in the backhand. This is going to be perfect. I could see this ball working for many styles, and I'm sure the guys on tour are going to love it. Wow. All right, up to Elise.
Okay, here we go. I need to save us a couple bucks, strike out.
Yeah, we're going to need a strikeout.
What does that put us at?
If we strike out, it puts us at 684, 116 pins off of 800. So we could, yeah, we'll figure out the math.
Well, you have your phone right there. You can figure out the math.
Yeah. You get ready, I'll tell the audience.
Oh, that needs to hold.
Don't. All right.
This ball is very
there's
blendy.
one.
I do like this ball where it's getting to the right. It will hook off of it smooth, which I like, but it's also giving me some hold in the middle.
Lay off. All right, so one.
I liked it.
It was good. Little to the right, little slow, but it was good. All right, make the spare.
Well,
So 674.
is that what we got?
Yeah. 63.
All right, what's the total damage?
63 doll hairs is going to go to one of our,
Favorite conspiracy theories.
yes, subscribers.
Only
likes
one,
the
though.
video. Only one.
Only one. I don't want to see
63 doll
multiple
hairs.
comments. If I see like spam comments, you're not winning.
No.
So make sure that it's a non-spam comment.
Yep.
Conspiracy theory.
Yep.
We're gonna pick our favorite one.
Yep.
And
Don't forget about the 700 that we have at
Yes.
stake. When we reach 50,000 subscribers, whatever month we are in, will dictate how much money we are giving away. So,
and
we
how
have
how much money I get.
and how much money Elise gets. We have 700 to start because there's 7 months left of the year. For every month that goes by, I take away $100. How much you want to spread the good news about the good word and everything going out that we are giving away some money. We're giving away money in this video and months to come. So
Yeah. This was almost as much as our gambler paycheck
Yeah,
video.
pretty much,
Almost identical, actually.
yeah. So $63 is going to somebody. The comment down below likes the video, shares their favorite conspiracy theory. Elise will be picking the winner.
Would you like to tell everyone your favorite?
No,
Okay.
I'm not doing that again. I am not talking about
If
any
you know,
more
you know.
conspiracy theories, nothing like that. Joking is not allowed on the internet, so
No
I
fun.
do apologize.
No, don't apologize. He doesn't apologize. He does not apologize.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Final thoughts on the Sigma Tour Pearl. It's going to be a banger. I like it. It's going to be a step above that Venom Hysteria. Give you something a little bit slower off the spot, but it looks really good.
It's smooth, yeah. It's
Yeah.
a good like benchmark
Yeah.
pearl. If
Got
that-
the benchmark numbers.
Yeah, it's like a benchmark pearl that it will still hook off the friction, but it's like a slower hook off the friction, which is good, especially on a house shot.
Yeah.
They're so cliff nowadays, there's so much friction. Balls like this are needed.
Yeah.
You don't always need that hockey stick shape. You don't always need the ball that hooks the most boards. You need a ball like this that you can not have to move your feet as much, and you might just be able to adjust your speed or your hand position to get the ball to do something different.
Yeah, I was definitely trying to test the limits of it and move left and whatever. And when you move that far left with a ball like this, it's definitely going to hook when you send it right, and it's going to be weak enough that it's not going to make it up the hill in the oil. So,
But for the US Open, this might be a good ball.
yeah, 100%. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video around. Share it to your friends. Get them in on the action. And we'll see you next time.